was last seen wearing an orange Onesi in the area of 5600 Brainerd Road in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Browen may be with his non-custodial mother, Cody Connor. Connor is wanted by the Chattanooga Police Department for especially aggravated kidnapping. The two may be traveling in the 2002 black Ford Escape with Tennessee tag 1M18-6. If you have seen Browen, Cody Connor, or this vehicle, please contact Chattanooga Police Department at 423-698-2525 or TBI at 1800 TBIFI North B.
That is my first toned child abduction emergency on KXI 22. That's great. It's for Chattanooga, Tennessee. I just came outside, and right as I turned to channel 5, it started playing the message. That was a little too late, but seriously perfect timing. I didn't think I would ever see that.